Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Apple Intelligence in Messages. Open Settings and turn Apple Intelligence on, then confirm Siri and Messages permissions. This lets suggestions work. Once done, make sure your device is signed into the same Apple ID and iCloud Messages is active so history syncs. You'll see inline suggestions appear as you type, accept, or edit them. This step primes the system. It collects recent context, conversations, and contacts so responses feel personal and relevant. You now use smart suggestions while composing. As you type in iMessage, glance at the suggestion chips and tap one to insert, then edit if needed because personalization matters. Once done, leverage inline compose for multi-sentence replies. Press return to send when ready. To refine behavior, tap the three-dot menu and choose Learn from this conversation so the assistant adapts to style and tone. You'll notice faster, context-aware replies. Keep correcting small errors so the model improves over time. Finish by checking language and region settings so suggestions match your locale. You should test by sending a few messages. Watch for tone and context-aware info. If suggestions stop or feel off, restart Messages or toggle Apple Intelligence off and on to force a reindex. Once done, sign out of iCloud and sign back in only if issues persist. This refreshes synced data. If nothing helps, clear and retrain by using Learn from this conversation sparingly to remove bad patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.